Good morning, my dear students. Today our topic is third component of physical fitness. We already know about cardiovascular endurance and muscular strength. Today we will learn about muscular endurance. First, what is muscular endurance? Muscular endurance is the ability of a muscle or group of muscles to sustain repeated contraction against a resistance for an extended period of time. The definition of muscular strength and muscular endurance is almost the same. Muscular strength is the ability to a muscle group to apply a maximal force against a resistance one time. And muscular endurance is the ability to repeat muscle movement over a period of time. Example, stair climbing, cycling, etc. Muscular endurance is important for many reasons, like it maintains our good posture, it increases lean body mass and decreases our body fat, it improves physical and mental health, it decreases resting heart rate to help reduce risk of cardiovascular disease, and it strengthens our bones. So, we see that muscular endurance is very important for our fitness. Today, I will show you some exercises that will help increase muscular endurance. So, let's see. Now, I will show you some endurance level exercise. Before starting this exercise, you will do some general exercise for warm up your body. Then, first, start sit-ups. Lie down on your back. Then, bend your legs. Touch your shoulder. Then, slowly up your upper body. Start. Then, slowly down. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Then slowly up. You will do this exercise 15 repetitions with 4 sets. Okay? Next is jump squat. Okay? First, up at your both legs. Then slowly sit. Come on. Squat position. And should be like this position. Then from this position, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. You will do this exercise 15 repetitions with 4 sets. Next is forearm plank. Okay? Start. First, come on push-up position. Then keep your hand like this position. keep your toe on the ground, then up your full body. Hold this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly down. You will do this exercise 5 repetitions with hold 15 to 20 seconds. Okay? Next is reverse plank. Okay? Start. First, sit on the floor. Keep your hand behind your back, like this position. Then, slowly up your body, like this. Then, hold this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly down. Again repeat. Okay? You will do this exercise 3 repetitions with hold 20 to 25 seconds. That's all for today. You will do this all exercises every day and very carefully. Thank you.